Hello everyone, I'm Varsha and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers of our country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main focus of our series is to make you all know about the achievements and experience of our prominent guests. So today we have with us Mr. Parveen Sharma, who is the CEO of the BIM Engineers. But before we actually move ahead in the conversation with him, let's have a look at a very small video which will tell you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hi, Mr. Sharma, how are you?
Good, Varsha. Yes, thanks. I hope you are doing good.
Yes, sir, we are doing all fine. Thank you so very much. So, sir, please tell us something about BIM technology and also about the BIM engineers.
Varsha, this technology called BIM, Building Information Modeling, is a buzzword in our design and construction industry. You know, one of the largest industry in this world is our construction industry, and it needs lots of new technologies which can change the life of the construction people. So BIM is one of those technologies which is bringing the paradigm shift or a big revolution in our construction industry. As far as the BIM engineers are concerned, we are one of the global leaders in implementing this BIM technology. We also call it virtual construction or digital twin technology.
Okay, so Mr. Sharma, how the BIM technology can benefit the construction industry?
Yeah, see, the construction industry is very slow in technology adoption. Although the amount of money involved in construction industry is huge. So the building information modeling, which is a 3D based technology, it can bring a revolution to our design and construction industry. Now what we are drawing lines on papers and the construction people are handed over those piece of papers called drawings, and based on those drawings the construction people are doing the construction of elements which are wall, door, roof, ceiling, window on construction site. This BIM industry is changing that concept of line. So from line based technology we are moving towards the element based technology, which is actually closer to the construction environment. So the BIM is providing those BIM services to global client to bring this revolution. So the construction industry is changing very rapidly with the use of BIM.
Okay, so sir, thinking about an idea and then working towards it are, totally different thing. Why? Because we only get to know about the hardships and challenges while we work on the idea. So, what challenges you see in the industry, and also if you can, tell us about how the BIM engineers can play a role in overcoming those challenges.
The biggest challenge in our industry is the availability of the skilled manpower and the technology adoption. So the BIM engineers is playing a vital role not only in the Indian construction industry but also the global construction industry. We have a large pool of 400 architects and engineers who are.
Okay, so moving ahead, I would love to know about your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award, sir.
It's always good to have recognition, but honestly, it's not just about the individuals, it's about the organization. In the BIM engineers team, we have lots of people who are working very hard to achieve these kind of awards and recognitions. It's always feel good. And to name few of them, I can name some of my very important colleagues like our chairman, Mr. Bart-Jan Khardibroek, our Dutch CEO, Mr. Andre Lagebeek, Mr. Mike Naismith is heading our German operations, Mr. Phil Scrabble, he sits in our Arizona office, Patrick Grant is in Chicago, Mr. Usman Toure, he sits in our London office. I get support from all those people, including Edwin Timothy from our Melbourne office. Alok heads our Malaysian office. Afzal is looking after our Indonesian operations. Mr. Joby Thomas heading our UAE operations. And Mr. Palani Muthu Kashinathan, Mr. Nitin Jain, lots of other people. We are actually a team, including the CFO, Mr. Rajiv Sharma. They are all contributing in the success of the BIM engineers team. We are a team, that's why we are successful.
Okay, so Mr. Sharma, as our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has announced this Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign to combat the COVID-19 crisis. So, what are your views on it, and also if you can tell us about how your organization is contributing towards it?
Yeah, very important question, Varsha. Thanks for asking. Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant India is a very important concept, especially in these coronavirus times. It is very prominent for every country and especially for the larger countries like India to be self-reliant. And you will be surprised to know that the BIM engineers is contributing a big way. We are not only contributing to the Indian projects like Delhi Airport, this high-speed rail between Delhi Meerut, Navi Mumbai Airport, we are implementing BIM. Bangalore International Airport, new Terminal 2, then Greater Hyderabad Airport, Chennai Metro, including we also doing international projects like Hong Kong Airport, Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam, Netherlands, Heathrow Airport in London we have done recently. In Turkey Airport, Istanbul Airport in Turkey, we also played a vital role. Apart from that, we are also doing lots of metro, including Delhi Metro, Patna Metro, or the upcoming Kanpur and Agra Metro, then Mumbai Metro Phase 3. We are implementing BIM not only on the Indian projects, so that cover the self-reliance or Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are also making dependent the global market on our manpower. The BIM engineers is serving global clients, including US, whole of Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and then Australia and New Zealand. We are covering the global market, so it's not just about making India self-reliant. We are bringing lots of foreign exchange or foreign currency into India to make it a stronger economy.
Amazing, sir. Okay, so last but not the least, what message or piece of advice you would like to give to our today's generation, who wish to be an entrepreneur someday?
It's very simple. To my younger friends in the industry, I would have only one mantra in your mind. Always keep working hard. There is no alternate to hard work. And of course, smart work. So hard work always pays. We started this BIM engineers with a very small team in 2018, 15 people. And all those 15s are now flag bearers. Most of them are now leading our teams in different countries, different continents, from America to Europe to Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Dubai, even South Korea, Japan, Germany. So those people are getting rewarded because of their initial 1.5 years hard work. So hard work has no alternate. So my friends, if you want to success, you have to work hard. There is no alternate.
Absolutely, Mr. Sharma. Okay, so thank you so very much for being with us today, Mr. Sharma, and sharing such good experience and advice of yours too. And I wish you all the very best for all your future projects, and may you continue to rise and shine, sir. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you so
with
much.
us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure having there on board with India Achievers Award.